superficial branch. So basically most of your dorsal aspect of your hand is innervated by the cutaneous branch of the radial nerve. So if you knock it out, if you burn your hand so bad like a 3rd-degree burn, you might not have any sensation anymore, right? Because you burn through the dermis layer and you burn off the nerve endings. Know that. Now, another important thing is, what do we do with the median nerve? Right? We're done with radial. That's it. It's the best muscle. The median nerve, it's in the middle. If something is in the middle, what's usually found in the middle of a hamburger? Like some kind of cheese, burger, right? Some kind of nice little steak, right? So if it's median nerve, it's in the middle. Actually, it's in the middle of a loaf. 2 loaves, right? 2 loaves. You're like, the median nerve is in between 2 lobes? Yeah, that's the mnemonic for all the muscles. 2 lobes basically means, let's rewrite it out. The first 2 lumbricals, opponents, pollicis, brevis, your abductor, pollicis, brevis, and your flexor, pollicis, brevis. Where did I get that from? Let me tell you a story. The median nerve start off all the way, it's going all the way down. It's gonna innervate all your flexor muscles right here. Do you see it? Then it's gonna pierce through your flexor retinaculum, go out, and send a branch off here called the recurrent branch of the median nerve. And that's actually all these muscles I call your thinner eminence. All this OF are your thinner eminence. And that's where you get the O form. The opponent's policies allow you to oppose. Can you see that? You literally have to take your thumb and go over and meet this tiny little pinky. That's what makes us better than monkeys, right? Because monkeys can oppose, right? It's only mammals that can. And abductor policies allow you to abduct your thumb. Can you see that? And if you want to flex it, this is flexion, right? Extend flexion. This is actually adduction and abduction. I know. Try that at home, right? You need to know that. Extremely important. Why? Because now also I said the 2 lumbrical. Everybody's bye. How did I just do that? Because the median nerve is working and the first 2 lumbricals of my hands are able to do this. So I'm able to flex these muscles because I have this little lumbricals that's in between my metacarpal bones. I'm able to flex my hand, so that's why 2 love. Beautiful, good, rich mnemonic. You know that? You're golden. Alright? We knocked out the median nerve. Clinical application, because you know I'm going to get you. So patient comes in. They tell you, Doc, you know, I've been on the keyboard for so long and I'm starting to get like tingling and numbness in the first 3 fingers of my hands. Let's find out what their finger looks like. Right here. 1. Like I'm feeling numb. It's tingling because I'm on my BlackBerry all day and I'm on the keyboard typing all day. Why? You know what? What they're doing when you do that is you're compressing the median nerve inside your flexor retinaculum. You develop something called carpal tunnel syndrome. Because inside between your carpals, where your median nerve actually goes to, it's being compressed by these nerves. Okay? So you get carpal tunnel. Right? Then you can lose sensation literally to hold your hands if there's damage to this nerve chronically. What can cause that? Excessive use, right? Pregnancy, hypothyroidism, all cause carpal tunnel. Know that. What other muscles did I say? Your median nerve innervates all your flexor, all this flexor, carpi, ulnaris, flexor, carpi, radialis. I'm not gonna go into it. Like flexor superficial, flexor digitorum superficialis and digitorum. All these guys allows you to flex. See that? Good. That's your median nerve. That's it. Last but not the least, you know it's coming. I can't move on because I actually did not talk about if you damage the median nerve, what do you get? You get something called a hand of benediction. So how do you know the median nerve damage? Patient's gonna come to your office like, yo doc, I'm having a problem with my head. You're like, okay, make a fist. And you do this. No, if you want to make a fist, you have to do this. You literally have to flex everything and flex your thumb also. Now because they can't flex their hands and they can't flex this. They can only do this. It kind of looks like the hand of a Pope sign. It's because the ulnar nerve is still working, but the median nerve is not. So literally their hand stays like that, and you get the hand of benediction. Extremely important. Board style questions, they always get you. Know that. Now, ulnar nerve. People have problems with the ulnar nerve. I don't know. They don't like it. They really don't. Now, your ulnar nerve, on the other hand, basically innervates 75% of all muscles in your hand. Okay? And what you don't realize is if 75% of all the muscles in your hands are innervated, you literally, all you have to know is that the last two lobes, your last two muscles of your hands, which is basically your last two lumbricals, right, and all your hypothenar muscles, all are innervated by your ulnar nerve.
Hey, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you learned a lot. Are you studying for the USMLE Step 1 or Step 2? Are you studying for the NCLEX or you're currently in nursing school as a nursing student? Are you a PA student currently in school or studying for your PANCE exam? Or are you a nurse practitioner student or trying to take your NP board exam? Listen, I've got super awesome content for you. If you truly love this video and it simplified your learning process, I want you to check out my website below. I've listed all the list of exams, whether you're studying for any of this board exam, and all I want you to do is click on the link right now below so that you can take you directly to my website. For USMLE, just go to smashusmle.com. For NCLEX, go to crushnclex.com. And if you're studying for the PANCE exam, the nurse practitioner exam, or you're studying for your internal medicine board exam, just click below and it'll take you directly to ftplectures.com. Listen, I can't wait to help you. If you need to get in touch with me, just get to my website, be able to reach me directly, and we can work together one-on-one. Listen, you're super awesome, and my goal here is to help your dream come true. If you want to be a doctor, want to be a nurse practitioner, a registered nurse, or physician assistant, I'm here to help you get to that next level. With your medical knowledge, let's save the world together. I love you guys. You guys are super awesome, and do not forget to click on the link below to be able to get to my website. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys have a great day. Let's go.